interior designer, an interior decorator, a graphic designer, shop fitter, or a blogger? Are you looking for a groundbreaking new way to serve your designing, building, contracting, or renovation requirements? Are you finding the process time-consuming, overwhelming, unpredictable, or pricey?
Then look no further. Let us introduce you to our Prime Decorator subscription, offering you a free 20 litres of paint on a monthly basis, 8% discount on all products, seasonal promotions, free delivery on all orders, and many more exclusive membership benefits.
The Prime Decorator package is our most popular package out of our 4 packages. Tailor-made for you by Paint Prime, the first ever paint and hardware subscription service, a proudly South African company, powered by Hyperpaint, the leading paint experts for over 40 years.
Why choose us? We are stockists of South Africa's top quality brands. We are able to mix all paint colors consistently. We have over 75,000 paint colors to choose from. There are no contracts and you can cancel it anytime.
Providing you with convenience online shopping, secure online payment, free delivery, 24-hour support, and accumulative deals. This means if you do not redeem your free 20 litre of paint for the month, it will be carried over to the next month.
Visit our website to find out more about what each of our packages has to offer and to discover the package that was ideally created for you.